What is up, guys? Today, we are showing you how to properly play the J Balvin game in Fortnite. For the ATK race, I recommend you drive up to the wall to give yourself a head start. If it is your first time doing the ATK race, I recommend going slow and go faster if you know what to do. If you steer the ATK, you could drift a lot. Be careful when you reverse because it drifts a lot. Remember, the aim of the game is to get the most amount of points. To get points, you have to collect the coins. Each mini game is about 2 minutes long and there are a total of 10 mini games. And in each match, you do 5 of the mini games. To end the mini game, you have to collect the jigsaw puzzle to move on to the next mini game. The total of a match is up to 10 minutes. The next mini game I am showing now is what I call Fish Collector. Remember, the slurp fish takes away 1 point. Small fries give you 1 point and floppers give you 2 points. Every 5 to 10 seconds, the fish spawns a new fish. The grappler that you have has unlimited uses. To know the objective of a mini game, look at the top left corner of your screen. When it says the song ends, it means the mini game ends in this many minutes and seconds. To know how many points you have, you can see that on the east part of your screen. This mini game is what I call Impulse Mountains. All you have to do is climb or impulse your way to the top of a mountain and claim the jigsaw piece. Once all of your teammates have collected all of the jigsaw pieces, you win. When you have collected the jigsaw piece, you can do anything. I am not sure if you can collect the other pieces. This mini game is where most people get confused. People think it is a race, but you have to roll the ball to the end. I recommend pickaxing the ball. It goes 10 times faster than normal. On my left, you can probably see the player running with no ball. Remember to be careful. Some obstacles can get you stuck. If somebody goes to the end with no metal ball, they are going to be confused. This mini game can be confusing, but the aim is to destroy the orange things with your pickaxe. I have seen many people try to jump over the walls and I tried to help a couple of people but they were confused. This mini game is what I don't understand. You just pick up ice grenades and throw them at each other. This mini game is what I call lava parkour. Make sure to jump not too slow and not too much. When doing this part I suggest to try to land in the middle. When you do this, do not go up the pipe with no coin. If it has no coin, it means you have used it. If it has a coin, go in. When doing this, you need to take advantage of the wind's direction. Make sure to be slow or you might slip. For this mini-game, the first line of tiles is where you need to guess. When you find the right tile, try to trick the next tiles, it like tricking traps. This mini-game reminds me of an old creative map game where you color tiles. For this one, I recommend using impulses a lot. It can help you color faster. Make sure to color over the enemy tiles. I use the impulses to get the sides because the sides are less populated. I have to use this footage because I don't have footage for the final mini-game. It is a jetpack race. It is best to go through the rings because it is best to. If you touch any of the obstacles, you go back to the start or checkpoint. This is one of the hardest mini-games in this game. The jetpack fuel does have a cooldown, but you get teleported to the nearest checkpoint. I hope you enjoyed. Did you learn something new about the game? More videos are coming soon. Bye for now.